has come across the town and behind the crowd to join the display. Magnificent. On one side of the aeroplane are the markings of 460 Squadron Royal Australian Air Force, the other side 50 Squadron. The Lancaster is regularly repainted to commemorate well-known Bomber Command units.
For the 450. Thank you. We walk between 160 degrees, 13 knots, runway 13, right turn out to
As I said, designer Roy Chadwick started with the Avro 504 trainer of World War I. Before his tragic death, he went on to design the basic layouts of what became the Avro. Pilot today is Lieutenant Commander Glenn Allison, aircraft Paul Hollicott. This is number 2. Navy Wings is a charity supporting Royal Navy aviation heritage. It's funded entirely by public donations. You can find Navy Wings on the website. Glenn flies Beach Avenger twin turboprops with 750 Squadron. It's daytime. With the Royal Navy, he volunteers like the rest of the Navy Wings crew. And Paul flies Merlin helicopters. They both got together in the days of the Western Sea King, flying commando missions, and they've served on the Swordfish, on and off, together, since 2011. Despite its archaic looks, the Swordfish remained in production by Blackburn at Sherburn and Elmont in Yorkshire right the way through the war. It was effectively irreplaceable. Ability to patrol in horrible weather, fairly long distances, and to find targets for their deadly torpedoes. Later on, in the war. They were equipped under wing with 4 rocket projectiles on either wing, on each wing. And took part in D-Day, hence the black and white stripes on the wing today. 80th anniversary of the liberation of Normandy. And we're being waved at, ladies and gentlemen. Please wave back. Isn't that magnificent? We've been treated to a fabulous slice of heritage so far in this show. Beautiful reflections on the wings. Photographers must be so pleased with what they're getting. Ladies and gentlemen, Navy wings, very swordfish. Give them a wave and yell. I'm sure they'll hear. That is beautiful. Now I'm often asked this, and it's a tale I'm very happy to tell. The girls were very tight-fitting